Hello and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'll show you how to recover your booking.com account. For that you just need to open your app and then tap on sign in button. You can find that here, and also in this area you can find that sign in here, and you can also find sign in button right here. Tap on that and tap on sign in or register button. There you can log in with your Google, Apple or Facebook platform, or if you have logged in using your email, just tap on continue with email and enter your email account. Tap on continue button. It will ask you to enter your password. Just tap on forgot password and reset your password through your Gmail or your phone number. And once you enter your email address, tap on continue button and they will send you and then they will ask you to enter password. Just tap on forgot password and they will send you a reset link or verification code on your Gmail. Just paste it over here and you'll get to reset your password. And if you are using your Google, Facebook or Apple, it will be a lot easier. Just select your account, tap on continue button and then select your account, and there you'll have to tap on continue button, and that is how you can recover your booking.com account. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.